Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
How much time does your team spend on closing deals? When customers have to print out a document, sign it, and then mail or even fax it back to the sender, or possibly even meet a sales representative in person to physically sign it, they often second-guess their decision to purchase with you. By automating sales cycles, you boost team productivity, close deals faster, and engage with your customers sooner. Accelerating your sales cycles allows you to keep your businesses moving forward by automating even the most complex sales processes. Here's a few insights on how to use signNow to optimize your processes and let you focus on strategic initiatives, not paperwork. Make contract workflows seamless and convenient for your team and customers. Once you've uploaded the contract you need, follow these simple steps. First, add recipients to your contract. Click on the contract name to open it in signNow Editor. Once in the editor, click Edit Recipients. Add and customize the access settings for recipients that need to fill out, sign, or view this contract. Next, add fields to your contract and assign recipients to them. Drag and drop different types of fillable fields to any place on your contract. In the field menu on the right, customize fields and assign recipients to them. Finally, invite recipients to sign your contract. Once you've customized your contract, click Continue. A new tab will open where you can set the order for recipients to receive your contract, add or change recipient emails, and customize the invitation message. You may also make a template from this invite. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing a document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
If you work with documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try signNow for a period of 7 days absolutely free.